So now I need to compute linear convolution and circular convolution. So first I will show you how to compute this linear convolution. Okay. So linear convolution, I will show you one direct method to find the linear convolution. Okay. So what is x of n given? So x of n is 1, 2, 7, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 5. And h of n is minus 1, 3, 5, minus 3, 1. Okay. So now, here this is the origin, here this is the origin. Okay, in order to perform the linear convolution, I need to multiply each sample from right side. Okay. So first sample here is 1. So 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 7, 7. Minus 2, 3. Minus 1, 5. Okay. So in the next step, what I need to do? I need to leave one space at the right side. Okay. I need to leave one space at the right side. Okay. So therefore, next continue the multiplication. So minus 3 into 1. It is minus 3. I have left one space because I am shifting this to the 1 unit left side. Okay. So minus 3 into 2, minus 6. Minus 3 into 7, minus 21. Minus 3 into minus 2, it is plus 6. Minus 3 into 3, minus 9. Minus 3 into minus 1, it is plus 3. Minus 3 into 5, it is a 15. Minus 15. Okay. So again, leave one more space here. In the next step, so in each step, we need to leave one spaces. Okay, at the end. Okay. So next element is 5. Okay, so 5 ones are 5. Okay, so 5 twos are 10. 5 sevens are 35. 5 minus 10. 5 into minus 2. 5 into 5 threes are 15. Okay, 5 into minus 1 minus 5. 5 fives are 20. Again, leave one more space. Okay, so next element is 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 sevens are 21. 3 into minus 2, it is minus 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 3 fives are 15. Okay, so again leave one more space. Okay, so next element is minus 1. Okay, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 7, plus 2, minus 3, plus 1, minus 5. Okay, now add all these elements. So here 5, minus 15 into minus 1, minus 16. Okay, so 25 plus 3, 28, 28 plus 3, 31. So like that. So remaining, so here minus 1, 1, here 4, okay, 4, 30, 21, okay, minus 19, 20, and minus 1. Okay, if you add all this, we get this. So this is what? So this is YL of n, that is output of linear convolution. So which is equal to minus 1. I will write here. YL of n is equal to minus 1, 1, 4, 30, 21, minus 19, 20, minus 1, 31, minus 16, 5. So this is what? This is the output of linear convolution. Okay. So now I will perform circular convolution. I hope you have understood this. So I will repeat once again. So I need to take these given sequences x of n and h of n. Okay, I need to multiply from the right side. Okay, so first element into all these. Okay, so in the next step I need to leave one space at the end. Okay, so then continue the multiplication. So minus 3 into entire, and again leave one more space. Again continue multiplication, leave one more space. Okay, so like that. So 1, 3, 5, 3 minus 1. Okay, so again add all this. Okay, so again add all this, I get the YL of n, that is output of linear convolution. Okay, so now I will show you how to perform circular convolution. Okay, I hope you have understood this. So next is circular convolution. Circular convolution. Okay. So in circular convolution, I will write it as YC of n is equal to. So what are the sequences we are going to multiply? X of n is circular convolved with H of n. Since X of n is 7 point, length of 7, that's why it is 7 point circular convolution. Okay. So I will use matrix method to perform this circular convolution. Okay. So I have X of n. X of n is this. Okay. So how to write this X of n into H of n to perform the circular convolution? Okay. So any one sequence should be written in the circular shifted manner and one as it is. Okay. So we'll take this X of n in the circular shifted manner. Okay. So for that, so here what is the first element in this X of n? It is 1. Okay, so write this 1 as it is. Okay, and the remaining all sequences should be written from the right side. Okay, so that is what is the last element here? 5. So from this side we need to write the remaining samples. Okay, so 5 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 7, 2. Since it is 7 point circular convolution, you need to write 7 rows. Okay. So again 2, that 2 is shifted to here, 1 is shifted to here, 5 is shifted to here, like that. Minus 1, 3, minus 2, 7. In the next step it is 7, 2, 1, 5, minus 1, 3, minus 2. Okay, so again minus 2, 7, 2, 1, 5, minus 1, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so next 3 minus 2, 7, 2, 1, 5, minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, 3, minus 2, 7, 2, 1, 5. So last row 5 minus 1, 3, minus 2, 7, 2, 1. Okay. So this is X of n. This is X of n, and H of n is here. So the length of this X of n is 7, but the length of this H of n is 5. Okay. So here in order to multiply this X of n into H of n, so both lengths should be same. Okay. So in order to make this length of X of n and H of n same, so I will add 2 zeros to this H of n. So if I add 2 zeros to this H of n, so the length of this H of n will be equal to 7. Okay, so now the length of this X of n is also 7 and H of n is also 7. So now I can perform the circular convolution. Okay, so H of n is what? Minus 1, 3, 5, minus 3, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So now multiply. So first row, first column, second row, first column. So like that you multiply. So I obtain minus 2, 32, minus 1, 35, 21, minus 19 and 20. This is the output of circular convolution, that is YC of n. I will write the output of circular convolution is equal to minus 2, 32, minus 12, 35, 21, minus 19 and 20. So look here, compare these two answers. So compare. So this YL of n, that is output of linear convolution and output of circular convolution. So both are different because we have perform the linear convolution. Okay, so without adding any zeros, and circular convolution with adding zeros. Okay, so that's why we obtain different results for if the length of both x of n and h of n is different. Okay. Okay. So we shall solve one more problem based on linear convolution and circular convolution. So here what is given, two length of four sequences are defined below. That is x of n is equal to cos of pi n by 2, where n is equal to 0 to 3, and h of n is equal to 2 power n. Okay. So calculate x of n into h of n by doing circular convolution, and calculate x of n into h of n by doing linear convolution. Okay. So now, yes, given in the cos n 2 power n format. Okay, I need to find the x of n and h of n sequence first. So let us compute that x of n and h of n for n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let us construct one table n, x of n and h of n. Okay, so for n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so put n is equal to 0 here, that is cos 0 आगुत्ते, so that is cos pi by 2 into 0, that is cos 0 is equal to 1, 2 power 0, that is also equal to 1. Okay, so again cos pi by 2 into 1. Okay, so cos pi by 2 is equal to 0, and here 2 power 1 is 2. So again cos pi by 2 into 2 get cancels. Okay, so that is cos pi is equal to minus 1, and 2 power 2 is equal to 4, and again cos pi by 2 into 3, it will be equal to 0, and 2 power 3 is 8. Okay, so now I got the sequence x of n and h of n. Okay, so now I will first question is what? We need to perform x of n circular convolution with h of n. Okay, so that is which is equal to yc of n, circular convolution. Okay, so therefore yc of n, we know that how to compute this circular convolution. So first write down the sequences x of n. X of n is what? 1, 0, minus 1, 0. Okay, and h of n is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, so first I will take x of n matrix. So how to write? So first element should be the first element. Okay, and remaining entries should be from the right side. Okay, that is 0, minus 1, 0. Okay, again circular shift. So how many rows? It will consist of 4 rows, because 1, 2, 3, 4, the length of x of the input signal is 4. So therefore shift 0, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 1 into h of n is what? 1, 2, 4, 8. So now multiply. So 1 minus 4, it is minus 3. So again 2 minus 8, 2 minus 8, it is minus 6. So again minus 1 plus 4, 3. So again minus 2 plus 8 plus 6. Okay, so therefore yc of n is equal to, that is output of circular convolution is equal to minus 3 comma minus 6 comma 3 comma 6. Okay, so next I need to compute the linear convolution. Okay, so I will drop this. Space. compute linear convolution. So for that I need to take x of n. X of n is what? 1, 0, minus 1, 0. And h of n is 1, 2, 4, 8. So we need to multiply from the right side. So 8 into 1, 8. 8 into 0, minus 8, 0. Okay, so next what I need to do? I need to leave one space at the last. Okay, so next element is 4. 4 ones are 4, 0, minus 4, 0. So next leave one more space here. So next element is 2. 2 ones are 2, 0, minus 2, 0. So again leave one more space. Next element is 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 0. Therefore it is equal to 0, minus 8, minus 4. 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3, 2, 1. Okay. So therefore YL of n is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 6, minus 4, minus 8, 0. Okay. So here there is a relation between linear convolution and circular convolution. Okay. So there is a relation between this YL of n and this YC of n. So what is that relation? So we shall see that now. Okay. So circular convolution is nothing but linear convolution plus aliasing. So what is this aliasing? So circular convolution is equal to linear convolution plus aliasing. So what is this aliasing effect? Okay, so we need n should be greater than or equal to 3 plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 6 to avoid this aliasing. So aliasing is a effect that is, so what is the n range here? N is equal to 0 to 3, that is 3, 0 to 3 plus what is the length? Length is equal to 4 minus 1. Okay, so therefore length n is what? N is the length of this x of n. So this, if the length of this x of n is greater than or equal to 6 in this condition. Okay, if the length of this x of n is equal to or greater than 6, okay, so then this aliasing effect will be removed. So I will tell you what is this aliasing effect. Okay, so here aliasing means last two points, that is n is equal to 4, 5. Okay, so we'll wrap around the top of the first 2 points, giving a 4-point circular convolution. That is YC of 0 YL of n in the 1, 2, 3, 6, minus 4, minus 8 is 0. Okay, so ಅಲ್ಲಿ length ಏನಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮದು YC of n 1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3, 4 sorry 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 So YC of 0. Okay, so YC of 0 andre ಏನು minus 3. Okay, so that minus 3 is equal to YL of 0 plus YL of 4. That is, so what is YL of 0 here? It is 1. YL of 0 plus YL of 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No? So here, so YL of 4 plus this YL of 0, that is 1 minus 4 is equal to what? Minus 3. Okay. So then YC of 1 is equal to YL of 1 plus YL of 5, which is equal to, so YL of 1 is 2 plus YL of 5 is what? Minus 8. So 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 6. Okay. So next, YC of 2 is equal to YL of 2 is equal to YL of 2 is equal to 3. YC of 3 is equal to YL of 3 is equal to 6. YL of 3 is 6. So here observe. So YC of 0 and YC of 1, that is first and the second element of the YC of n. So what we have YC of n here is minus 3, minus 6, 3, 6. I will write it here only. YC of n is equal to minus 3, minus 6, 3, 6 here. Okay. So this first element and the second element is will